If you ever needed an excuse to jump over and start using the app, PS, it's a little bit faster than the browser, I've heard, then this might be the excuse that you need. If you already use the app and you know about this already, then I think you're going to discover a couple of new ways that you might use it in your workflows and a couple of gotchas that you might want to look out for as well. So let's jump over to my screen and I'm going to show you how to set these up and how to use them. Let's go. So first things first, how do we set them up? If you look up here, you've got the standard back and forwards arrows, and now you've got a new little space next to it. If you click on it, it's going to open up a list of all your tab groups. So I've had to abbreviate these for obvious reasons, but the cool thing about tab groups is you can use tabs from different workspaces or even different accounts. So you can create these very custom groupings if you wish. To set a new one up, you can either set a new group from the existing tabs that you've got on the screen, or just hit a new empty tab group here, give it a name, that's better than that, and give it an emoji so it's easy to know where you are when you're on that actual tab group. So let's jump over to the next space here that I've got set up, NA. You can see the emoji changes up here. And if I show you, I'm actually on a different workspace. If I jump back to my original tab group, this is actually coming from my workspace. So you don't necessarily have to use this workspace tab picker, or drop down, I should say, to jump around. You can actually just jump around really quickly like this. Like this is a different workspace right here. This is actually the video that I'm recording right now. But I'm going to show you how you can start to bring in tabs from different workspaces. So you see this tab groups. This is a specific page that I use. I usually call it like my home page, right? And I just have my like daily to-dos on here. You can see the icon is this blue circle, right? I actually want to be able to access this from any tab group that I'm in, even if that tab group is using a different workspace or even a different account. I want to be able to just quickly jump over and add a new to-do, right? So I actually get this page and attach it to every other tab group that I've got set up. So right here, I've got this page set up right here, but if I want to jump to here, I can start adding the stuff that I need to add. And if I jump back to my personal space, it persists, the data persists across all these tab groups. So that's a little hack that you can do, and I find it really, really helpful. One thing you might notice, this is a bit of a side note, but I'm going to show you anyway. You see how I have all these pinned tiny tabs on this tab space, and then on this one I've got one pinned and a standard tab here. If you don't know how to pin, it's really easy. You just right click and hit pin. I use it to keep things top of mind. So on my standard tab space, I have all my, my strategy, my projects, so on and so forth. So pinning is just an extra functionality you can do. Okay, a few caveats. Let me see. When you're setting up a group and you want to change the emoji, you can just use the standard emojis that we all know and love. You can't use Notion icons. You might be used to seeing them right here. You can't use them yet. Hopefully Notion changed that, because I love having everything set as a Notion icon, but it's just a tiny thing. Another thing is there's no hotkey currently where you can just skip to different spaces. It'd be kind of nice if Command 1 or Control 1 would open this one. Command 2 would open this one. Hopefully that's going to come in the future, but right now you have to go and click and jump around manually. And the last caveat, which is quite a big one, if you are a person who likes to use multiple Notion windows inside the Notion app, this one's for you. So if I just zoom out, you can see right now I'm just using one window. But let's say I want to use two different tab groups across two different windows. So let's duplicate this window. That is Shift, Command, or Control N to do that. And we'll zoom out. You can see I've got two windows. I'm going to put this one on the left and this one on the right. Okay, so we're on the same tab group right now, indicated by this emoji right now. You can see when I'm on the left window, I've got that one highlighted. The right one becomes grayed out. That's just the app's way of letting you know you can only kind of focus on one tab group at a time, which is expected. But let's say I want this tab group on the left and I want another on the right. It's as simple as just choosing it. And there you go. I'm using this space on the left and this space on the right. So that's it. If you didn't know about this feature, now you do. It's a small but powerful one. It's a great excuse to jump off the browser if you were using it. And if you didn't know about some of these little idiosyncrasies and you were already on the app, now you know about them. Let me know how you guys are using tab groups. This is just the way that I tend to set them up. They're really handy, again, if you are consistently moving between different workspaces or even accounts, because you can take a group of multiple workspaces and accounts and blend them underneath one tab group. So let me know how you guys are using it. Pop it in the comments below. I'd be really interested to see. And yeah, lastly, a little obligatory pitch. If you're using Notion as a business owner and you want to learn how to use it better, then get in touch with us. We are called Premium Ops. We are a group of certified Notion consultants, the top-rated Notion consultancy worldwide. So you're in good hands here. Just get in touch with us. There's information in the description below, and we'll jump on a call with you and see if we can scope out your project and help you out. All right, hope you learned something with this new feature update. Like I said, if you've got any cool ideas, just pop them in the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Thanks for watching. Bye.